Experiencing a P144B fault code on your BMW can be frustrating, but understanding what it means and how to fix it doesn't have to be a mystery. The P144B code typically relates to the evaporative emission control system, specifically an issue with the DMTL pump or the diagnostic module tank leakage system. This system is responsible for detecting leaks in the fuel vapor system to ensure your vehicle meets emission standards. When your BMW throws a P144B code, it's often due to a malfunction in the DMTL pump, which could be caused by a failing pump, wiring issues, or a loose or cracked gas cap. This malfunction can lead to a leak or an inability to properly detect leaks, triggering the check engine light. Start by inspecting the gas cap. Make sure it's properly sealed and check for any visible cracks or wear. Sometimes, simply replacing the gas cap can resolve the issue. If the gas cap looks fine, the next step is to scan your BMW using an OBD2 scanner. This tool will help confirm that the P144B code is indeed linked to the DMTL pump. If the code persists, you'll need to inspect the DMTL pump itself. Located near the fuel tank, this pump can sometimes fail due to age or exposure to the elements. Check for any visible damage to the pump or the surrounding wiring. If everything looks intact, but the code remains, consider testing the pump's functionality. This usually involves checking the electrical connections and ensuring the pump is receiving power. If the pump is faulty, replacement is often the best solution. You can purchase a new DMTL pump online or through a BMW dealership. After replacing the pump, clear the code with your OBD2 scanner and take your vehicle for a test drive. Once the new pump is installed, use your OBD2 scanner to clear the fault code from the system. Drive your car for a bit to see if the check engine light comes back on. If the light stays off, congratulations, you've successfully fixed the issue. If the code returns, it may be time to consult a professional mechanic, as the problem could be more complex. Addressing a P144B code may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's a manageable repair. Regular maintenance of your BMW's emission system can prevent these issues from recurring, keeping your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently.